It happens thousands of times a day in corporate offices. An employee opens a chat window, copies a sensitive client financial record, and pastes it directly into a public AI. They are simply looking for a rapid document summary to save an hour of operational busywork. But the moment they hit enter, that proprietary data does not stay isolated on their local workstation monitor. It is instantly transmitted outward. This animated map tracks exactly where that information goes. Your client's private financials leave a secure UK office, travel across the Atlantic, and land in external US-based server warehouses. By chasing everyday convenience, companies are unknowingly executing a massive, invisible export of their most protected assets. For businesses operating in the UK, ignoring this constant data outward flow carries severe operational consequences. These regions enforce strict regulatory frameworks that dictate exactly how proprietary customer data is handled, processed, and stored. Entering client information into a public cloud API, like OpenAI, triggers the cloud privacy loophole. In that exact millisecond, your company loses direct legal control of the asset. If that third-party cloud absorbs your data to train its public models, or if those external servers suffer a major security breach, the originating business bears the total legal liability. Under UK GDPR, non-compliance can trigger fines of up to £17.5 million, or 4% of a company's annual global turnover. For an enterprise, that is a legal and financial risk that outweighs any temporary cloud convenience. This diagram illustrates the principle of data sovereignty. Under this rule, your digital assets are legally bound to the laws of the specific country where they physically reside. To guarantee absolute data security, you must physically prevent your proprietary information from ever crossing national borders. Public cloud computing disperses data across the globe. Securing your information requires concrete, localized hardware ownership. This is achieved by running local large language models. These engines allow a business to generate AI responses without renting external cloud space. Bringing AI infrastructure on-premise creates the physical boundary required to reclaim total legal ownership over corporate data. The engineering process starts by downloading a powerful open-source model, such as Llama 3, directly onto local company hardware. This network schematic displays an air-gapped system. Every physical and digital pathway connecting the local server to the outside internet is entirely severed. Completely isolated within this internal perimeter, the local AI can ingest massive volumes of your proprietary data to perform advanced client analytics. The engine instantly summarizes financial files and generates complex documents strictly within the local boundary. A closed-loop architecture delivers the same operational efficiency as the public cloud, but keeps your data strictly within the physical walls of your server room. However, looking at this flowchart reveals the immediate hurdle. Manually engineering a private database and localized AI system from scratch is an overwhelmingly complex task. First, an internal team must securely integrate these open-source models with the proprietary learning management or employee management systems already in place. Then comes the engineering bottleneck, writing custom scripts and deploying self-hosted automation platforms like N8N or Zapier to connect the entire ecosystem without leaking a single byte of data. Maintaining this level of data control is the most reliable path to total regulatory compliance. But the sheer volume of engineering hours required to build this stack manually is a barrier too high for most businesses. We are ZevIQ AI. We act as dedicated architects, designing and building custom, localized AI networks for enterprise clients. We handle the total technical complexity of integrating private, open-source models with your self-hosted automation tools. Your business retains the AI efficiency of public models while operating with zero legal risk. Visit zeviqai.co.uk today to book your free private AI and automation audit. Do not risk your business reputation on public clouds. Smart systems, sovereign intelligence.